Hello guys, this is Sampath, and a lot of you guys have been asking me to make a room tour, and in the past few days I have made some improvements to my room. So let's begin the room tour. So guys, as I entered the room, beside my door I got this Avengers poster, and it's a great poster guys. You could see Robert Downey Jr., Spidey, Vaughn, Doctor Strange, etc. And above that I got my Google AdSense letter. I like it, by the way, that's why I kept it. So if we go left to this, we got my cable management, and this is my desk. And you might be thinking why I opted for a foldable desk instead of a full-fledged desk. I have an explanation. I'm going to tell you why. Before that, this is my desk, and let's see what's on my desk. These are my spectacles, my lappy, some other phones, AirPods, TV, like remotes, watch, etc. So opposite to my desk, I got my iconic "Don't Quit" sign. It's really iconic. So guys, below that I got my sofa. It's the place where I chill. And there's something interesting about this sofa. This can be converted into bed if I want, so that's the reason why I went for a foldable table instead of a full-fledged table. So that if I want to convert my sofa into a bed, I don't need to like move my table. So this can be just detached. It's great. And this is my chair. And I think you might have seen this chair in a lot of YouTube videos. Like most of the YouTubers use this chair. And I got it by luck. Like it's being placed somewhere without being used, so I got it. So guys, as we proceed further, you could see my Samsung 55-inch TV, and it's attached to the Sony HDG700 soundbar. And yep, here's the sound subwoofer for it. And also we got some storage space here, small storage compartments, and here's my PlayStation 3 and the Wi-Fi router, and also some decor items. And this is the mirror. So actually, when I'm not in this room, my sister is going to use it. So for her, I arranged this mirror, and also this ring light belongs to her. She's an Instagram influencer. Yeah, she's got more followers than me. And it's really midnight guys, that's why I'm like this, so don't judge me. So guys, I'm a big Marvel and DC fan, and this is my keychain collection. It's really worth it. Yeah, you can see it. So guys, here we got my air conditioning system, and this is the biggest storage compartment in this room, and this is where I store everything. Let me show you. So guys, these are my smartphone boxes. Like this is where I store each and everything. And yep, I got some accessories and my tripod and some other accessories. The storage has not been filled yet. And also I got some extra storage at the top. Let me show you. Got some hydraulic thing. And this is where I store like most unwanted stuff, like my old laptop and some other things. So guys, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. And lastly, a sub to my channel makes a day for me. And peace.